Hello, my name is Anay Soni and today I will tell you how to make an animal sound app. It will be like there will be four or as many pictures as you want. So there will be that much pictures and you have to click on them and it will play a sound of that animal. Okay, so let's start the video. So first go to design, then take a label. It will tell that what should the user do, like first I will tell that click on any animal uh, oh, animals picture to play its sound. Yes. So here is a hint in the label. It's a label. So now we will put a image here like this. I have downloaded 4 pictures, so there will be I will put only 4 pictures. What happened to my English? So I will change the background in the last, so don't look at that. So now we will code. So first we will take on event. On event means like when this is clicked or that's clicked. So now we will put what's image 1, image 2. Okay, image 1. Then uh, we will take 4 on events, so it will be easier. So now there are 4. Then we will take so now I forgot a thing. Now I have to choose an image also. I forgot that. So I have downloaded some pictures, so I have to put that. So here it is, the cat image. Now I have to put of another one. Now I have to put of horse. You can put any animal you want. I want to put horse, that's why. Now I'll put I have to now it's a dog, so now I'll put a dog. Now I will put an elephant. So here it is. I'll choose this and here it is. Now I have to go to code. So what to do? I'll tell you that. Oh, wait a minute. Image 2, image 3, image 4. Okay, so now here we have to find that play sound. So when I'll scroll here, so here's the play sound. First here, then second here, then third here, then fourth here. Okay, now it should play which sound. So I want it's image 1. In image 1 it's a cat, so I have to choose a sound. I will type cat here. So let's listen this. Yes, it's a cat sound. So I will put this. Now the second image is of the horse. So now I'll have to put the sound of horse. Horse. So here's the horse. This is the only sound that horse makes. What happened to my English? Okay, fine. And now image 3. So what's in image 3? It's a dog. So now I have to put this dog. So here it is, the dog's sound. So I'll choose it, and now of image 4. So in image 4 it's elephant. Oh, by elephant itself. Yes, it's the sound of the elephant only. So it's the coding is all done. It's a very small coding. So now I want to put a background because I don't like white color that much. That's why I want to put this sky blue. So it's like this. Now let's run the app and see if it's working or not. So when I'll click the cat, it's making the sound. It's working perfectly. Image 1, image 2 is working perfectly. Image 3 is also working perfectly, and image 4 is also working perfectly. So this is how we make animal sound app. So I'll just rename it animal sound. So I have renamed it. So this is how we make an animal sound app. So if you want to uh, ask some questions, so you can comment down. So I'll see if there's any query. So this is all for the video, and hope you learned uh, of coding. So bye and take care, and do not go out for any reason. So bye for today.